We want to shade the region defined by the inequality y is greater than or equal to 3x minus 2. Consider the line y equals 3x minus 2. This means that we need to draw a solid line. For this type of line, we need a table of values. So let's have x and y. Take some convenient values of x. We could take x is 0, 3 zeros are 0, take away 2 is minus 2. We could now take x is 1, 3 ones are 3, take 2 is 1. And x is 2, 3 twos are 6, take 2 is 4. So we have 0 minus 2, 1, 1, and 2, 4. We draw a straight solid line through the points. Label the line y equals 3x minus 2. We need to decide which side of the line we want. In order to do this, we take a test point. We want greater than or equal to. I'm taking the origin as a test point. Y is greater than or equal to 3x minus 2. Y is 0. If x is 0, this becomes 3 times 0 take away 2. So we have 0 is greater than or equal to minus 2. Is this true? Yes, it is. 0 is more than minus 2. So this point is in the region we want. So the region we want is this side of the line. We can always do this by using a test point. It doesn't matter what the test point is, but the origin is an easy one to take.